If you want your floors looking sharp and lasting long, knowing what sets a tile setter apart from other flooring contractors is key. So, here's the deal with tile setters. First off, they gotta be super good at precision cutting. Like, those tiles don't just magically fit perfectly, they measure and cut with crazy accuracy. Next, pattern layout is a biggie. They plan out how tiles go down, so the design looks on point and not all wonky. Grout application is another skill they nail. It's not just slapping stuff in between tiles, but making sure it's smooth, even, and sealed right. Surface preparation is huge too. If the surface isn't clean and flat, the tiles won't stick or last. Then, there's adhesive selection. Different tiles and areas need different glues, and a pro knows which one works best for durability. Also, they understand how to work with different materials like ceramic, porcelain, or natural stone, which is not something every flooring contractor can do well. Basically, if you want your tile job done right, these skills make all the difference. One of the biggest mistakes people make when hiring tile setters is not checking their precision cutting skills, which leads to uneven tiles and gaps. To fix that, always ask for examples or references showing their past work with clean cuts. Another common issue is poor grout application. If it's sloppy, your floor looks messy and could get damaged faster. Make sure they use proper techniques and sealants. Lastly, many forget about surface prep, which causes tiles to pop loose or crack. Insist on a thorough cleaning and even leveling before installation to avoid problems down the road. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about getting stuck with a bad job. Plus, it's a solid way for contractors to connect with people looking for real pros to handle their big home projects.